How to remove indicators on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to remove indicators on your TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView app on your laptop device. Looking all these indicators over your chart, it's quite annoying, right? To remove it, just simply tap on the indicators. Once you tap on it, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see the option for this. If you want to just simply hide it for a moment, then tap on hide icon. Or if you want to completely remove it from your chart, then click on remove option. Once you click on it, your chart will be clean so that you can study your chart properly. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to remove indicators on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.